There is a huge connection between Atlantis and the Bermuda Triangle. As you know from my previous video, Atlantis was built by the Anunnakis when they settled down on planet Earth. They created a hierarchy and the working class. It was a very patriarchal system as it requires heavy structure and hierarchy. During those times, the Anunnakis weren't the only beings that had influences on Earth. In fact, many other extraterrestrials, angels, and even celestials were involved. So Earth was the center of attention. This is why the Atlantis War was a pivotal moment, as it had relations with most of us on Earth currently, or those incarnating on Earth. The extraterrestrials that were involved in the war, the Starseeds that are assisting the ascension process and healing of Atlantis Collective, the angelics and celestials that are uplifting and rescuing souls that are stuck in this traumatic cycle. What this war created was a total chaos, because each race has its own agenda. And there have been a lot of forbidden magic or technology, the misuse of magic and technology that has destroyed not only Atlantis but also the time and space, the dimensions, the realm of Atlantis. It's like a dimension has cracked open. It's like the dimensional rift and all that pressure energy creating a black hole. This was the event that caused the descent from 5D to 3D. Those at Atlantis were trapped in the cluster of Atlantis time and space, the cluster of repeating timelines, and the same event happening over and over again. That's why I hear people talking about the Atlantis reincarnation cycle or reincarnation trap. The cluster is in the Bermuda Triangle. This information was collected when I was studying the Akashic records of my clients who had involvement with Atlantis. Many of those born near the Bermuda Triangle, locations such as Miami, British Virgin Islands, Bahamas, Puerto Rico, etc., had connections with Atlantis in some way or form. This could be Anunnaki souls, it could be Atlantean descent, it could be Yetis involving the Atlantis War, Lemurians as they were extremely close, and the angelics and celestials that were and are currently assisting souls in that particular area. There are a couple of angelics that are holding the grid and portal of Bermuda Triangle to prevent it from closing, because many souls are still trapped in that portal. Inside that portal is a constant replaying of that traumatic event. That's why those who live nearby can feel the dense energy, the grief, and the suffering. So this also explains why, this Bermuda Triangle is such a mystery, and why there's so many disappearances and events, because it is a portal. Many who are living near or around the Bermuda Triangle area chose the mission to help heal the energies and stabilize the grid around the area. They are helping just by stationing there. This is all to hope more souls can overcome and escape the portal. This isn't really the best solution. The best solution is to completely rewrite the energy. Think of the portal like a computer software error, a crack in the program, as we live inside a simulation. The best way to fix this is to rewrite the program, and that's the role of a celestial. So I ask, why this hasn't been done? Why can't it be done quicker? The simplest answer I could give right now is it requires a certain amount of unity consensus to allow divine intervention. This is why all we can do is sending love and healing to the Bermuda Triangle, and also focusing on achieving unity consciousness within ourselves. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this with your friends who also had a background from Atlantis, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And as always, I'll see you on the next video. Much love and peace.